Hey, welcome back guys. So today we're going to be taking a look at my new vehicle. This is my Land Rover 90 with a 300 TDI engine fitted to it. Now quite clearly this is by no means original. The body colour is unoriginal. I believe it was some sort of military green before, and the roof was white because it's still white inside. But I do prefer the look of the black anyway. It has had wide arches fitted which have been painted with the body colour. All the lights were upgraded to LED lights, which is great because I actually wanted to do this because I do prefer them. And obviously someone's fitted this horrid winch bumper which is unpainted. I'm going to be replacing that at some point. And then there's this big LED light bar on the roof, which unfortunately, even though it looks good, it does really need to come off because it whistles quite badly over 55 miles per hour. You can see that there's alloy wheels fitted to this vehicle. Obviously on these older Defenders, or Land Rover 90s rather, they didn't come with alloy wheels. They weren't possible to fit them on here, so you do need wheel spacers in order to fit them to these vehicles. So let's kick off this episode with stripping down the interior. So yeah, I'm going to focus on getting this cleaned out. So I've just coated the battery holder under seat section with some rust killer, and then gone over it with bed liner, and then I'm gonna put some soundproofing on the bottom. So that's the interior stripped back. I'm now just going to remove that dreaded light bar. Then I'm going to go ahead and replace the fuel filler cap and windscreen wipers. They look identical. Comes with 2 keys. Guessing that's unlocked. So in the next episode, I'll be adding some soundproofing. Click here to watch the next episode.